Welcome back to the channel. If you are trading on Deriv, you know that consistency is the hardest part of the game. Today, I'm showing you a game changer for your workflow, PivotCore.net. This is a powerful auto trading platform designed specifically for Deriv traders who want to take the emotion out of their sessions. Instead of clicking manually and overthinking every move, we're going to let the automation handle the execution. Today, I'm diving into the even-odd strategy to show you exactly how it works in a live environment. Now, let's look at the plan. For this session, I've set a very realistic goal. We are running a 10-trade cycle with a target of 5 wins. Why only 5? Because successful trading isn't about winning every single time. It's about managing your mathematical probability. On PivotCore, setting this up is incredibly simple. I'll show you how to configure the even-odd parameters so the bot enters the market at the perfect millisecond. This platform bridges the gap between your Deriv account and smart automation, making it much easier to stick to your daily targets without revenge trading. As you watch these trades go through, notice the speed of execution. PivotCore is built for low latency, which is vital when you're dealing with digit-based volatility. We are looking for that specific pattern where the market balances between even and odd digits. By automating this, I can focus on the data rather than the stress of the buy button. Even when we hit a loss, the system stays disciplined. We are aiming for that 50% win rate to prove that with the right money management, you don't need a 100% win rate to be a professional trader. We've hit our 10-trade limit, and as you can see, the results speak for themselves. Automated trading on PivotCore.net allows you to treat your trading like a business. If you're tired of manual errors and want a cleaner, faster way to trade on Deriv, I highly recommend checking this out. I've left the link in the description below. Go ahead, set up your own 10-trade plan and see how automation changes your results. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more automated strategy tests. Happy trading!